This video is going to teach you how to draw basic cylinders. We're going to start by dividing up our paper. First we're going to divide it in half vertically. So just run a line down the center here, broad sweeping lines, loose grip, light. Divide that in half and then divide that left side in half again. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need a ruler. It's just rough sketching. Okay, so to start with your basic cylinder, we want to make sure that when we draw our cylinders, there's three things involved: that they are plumb, level, and symmetrical. So in order to help get them level, we're going to start. So a cylinder is round, circular in one direction, and straight going the other direction. But the top of it, when viewed at an angle, is an oval. So to get that oval level, we're going to start with a horizontal line. So I want you to draw a horizontal line up here near the top of this column. And then what we're going to do is we are going to draw an arc going from one end of that line to the other. I want you to keep it a very low arc though, just very low, and you'll see why in a minute. And then on the bottom, draw a corresponding arc. You want it to arc exactly the same. You want these two arcs to be symmetrical. Okay, so as long as this line is level, your cylinder is going to begin to be level as well. You always want to compare this line to the edge of your paper. Then you'll know whether it's level or not. So we don't want the edges of our cylinder to come to a point like this. So what we're going to do is just kind of round off these corners a little bit. Just come in here and kind of cut off those points with a small little arc to round those off. We can erase those later on. We don't need to worry about it right now. Okay, so now from these edges where we just drew those short arcs, we're going to drop a line straight down. Okay, and you want to go straight down. You want to go parallel to the edge of your paper. Go straight down. We'll go down about 1.5 inches, a couple inches maybe. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going straight down. And again, you notice I'm holding my pencil with like a writing grip, because again, I'm working kind of small, trying to be precise with this here. If I was drawing much larger, I would have a looser grip. Now what we're going to do, instead of making the bottom round, let's draw a light horizontal line, because we want our bottom to be level as well. A light horizontal line, don't make it too dark. And that's going to make sure that when we can draw an arc. Let's swing an arc, and this one can curve a little bit more, because this is further below eye level. And you're just going to swing an arc from one side to the other. And there you go. You have your basic cylinder. You know, these lines can be erased. All your construction lines can be erased. So this line here is called an axis line. That bisects these arcs, and it helps to make sure that it's level. We want to make sure that this line here is level. We want to make sure that our sides are plumb, and that everything is symmetrical. Both of these arcs are symmetrical.